What is up, YouTube family? My name is T-VOE and welcome to my channel. So starting this Friday, 2 days from now, there's a lot of new sellers out there, or maybe you aren't selling, maybe you want to get into selling and you don't know where to start. That's a big problem that everybody has. A lot of people reach out on social media. I have 10-20 people a day at least that reach out and say, hey, I want to get started, but I don't know how to do this. Now there's a lot of courses out there that you could get into, you could pay for, that cost a lot of money. I just saw one recently yesterday that cost $800 for someone to teach you how to sell on Amazon. $800. Well, I'm going to do it for free. I have no want or desire to charge for everything that I'm going to start recording and showing you, and sending you to other YouTube vloggers that do the exact same thing, and they provide everything that they do for free as well. So paying for something that is free and it just takes a little bit of research and maybe a little bit of video watching time is your best benefit. Now, what is your purpose? Why do you want to do it? What is your purpose of reselling? What are you getting out of it? What do you need to get out of it? Is it a part-time job for you? Is it a full-time job for you? What is it that you need? Do you need to pay off credit card debt? Maybe buy a new car? Maybe whatever it is, maybe you just need some vacation money, or maybe you want to make it as your full-time career, working for yourself in your own business. So 5 times a week, 5-minute videos. I'm going to try my hardest at 5-minute videos. Some of these topics, though, that I'm going to talk about are going to be a little hard to do for 5 minutes. But I'm going to teach you guys how to sell on Amazon and how to sell on eBay if you aren't yet. Now, if you want to sell on Amazon, I suggest that you have already been an eBay seller. If not, it's perfectly fine. But you learn a lot of things when you sell on eBay. You learn a lot of mistakes that you could have made that prevent you from creating those in a bigger beast like selling on Amazon. So those are the kind of things that I'm going to be talking about 5 times a week at 6 p.m. every single day that I'm going to post these videos, and hopefully help you guys with some knowledge for free, and hopefully get your guys' business going and see what you can really get out of it. Some things to think about, really identify your goals. What are you trying to do with the money that you're going to make, or whatever your ultimate goal is? Maybe more family time. Maybe you're working a retail job that is 60-70 hours a week, but you want to work 30-40 hours a week. It's possible doing this, working for yourself, being an entrepreneur, and not having to work for anyone else. It's great, let me tell you. Learning, and do you have the dedication to be able to do this? This isn't something, and anybody that does this won't lie to you and say that this is an easy, quick, rich scheme. Maybe you see all those guys on social media that sit next to their Lamborghini or their Ferrari and, oh, I did this overnight. It's all a lie. They didn't do this overnight. No one did this overnight that is truly building a business from the ground up. Now, if you have large investors in the beginning, sure, okay, that's fine. But if you want to learn how to do this with $50 or less in your pocket and turn it in, so tune in every day at 6 p.m. and I'll show you what I do for a living, full time. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.